Manjaro Linux, a popular Arch-based distribution, has recently faced significant controversy regarding its security policies and practices. Despite its user-friendly approach, there are several reasons why Manjaro may not be the best choice, especially for inexperienced users. Delayed security updates. One of the most critical concerns with Manjaro is its practice of delaying security updates. While this is done to ensure system stability, it means that users can be left vulnerable to known security exploits for extended periods. This approach contrasts sharply with other distributions that prioritize immediate patching of security vulnerabilities. Questionable default settings. Some of the default configurations in Manjaro have been criticized for not adhering to best security practices. For instance, certain network and firewall settings may not be as secure as those found in other distributions, potentially exposing users to risks. Inexperienced users may not be aware of these issues or know how to rectify them. Package management concerns. Manjaro relies heavily on the Arch User Repository (UR) for its extensive software library. While the UR offers a vast array of packages, these are user-contributed and do not undergo the same rigorous vetting process as official repository packages. This can introduce potential security risks, as malicious or poorly maintained packages could compromise system integrity. Inclusion of pre-released software. Manjaro has a history of including software that has not yet been officially released by its original developers. This practice can lead to instability and unanticipated bugs, as the software may not have undergone sufficient testing. Users may find themselves dealing with issues that would not be present in more stable, officially released versions. SSL certificate issues. There have been multiple instances where the SSL certificates for Manjaro's website and repositories have expired. This not only undermines trust, but also exposes users to potential security risks, as expired certificates can be exploited by malicious actors to intercept and manipulate user data. Controversial decisions. The Manjaro team has made several controversial decisions in the past, such as shipping incomplete or untested features. These decisions have sometimes resulted in system instability and security vulnerabilities. For example, there have been instances where significant changes were rolled out without adequate testing, leading to critical bugs and security flaws. Lack of transparency. Transparency is crucial in the open source community, yet there have been instances where the Manjaro team's decisions and actions have lacked transparency. This raises concerns about their commitment to user security and trust. Decisions made behind closed doors can undermine community confidence and lead to potential security oversights. Given these issues, Manjaro Linux may not be suitable for users who lack the technical expertise to mitigate these risks. Inexperienced users are advised to consider more stable and security-focused distributions. Alternatives like Debian or Ubuntu offer robust security practices, regular updates, and extensive community support, making them safer choices for those new to Linux. For those considering Linux for the first time, opting for a distribution with a proven track record of security and stability is crucial to ensure a safe and reliable computing experience. By choosing a well-supported and security-conscious distribution, users can enjoy the benefits of Linux without the associated risks found in less stable distributions.